Ever wondered how some people seem to make fortunes overnight using trading apps? The world of finance has been revolutionized by these small, sleek programs that live right on our smartphones. They've become a cultural phenomenon, growing exponentially in popularity, and it's easy to see why. Trading apps are attractive for their promise of quick money. They dangle the tantalizing prospect of transforming a small investment into a hefty payday. And let's face it, who wouldn't want to turn their spare change into a windfall with just a few taps on a screen? These apps also boast user-friendly interfaces, reducing the complexities of the financial world into simple, bite-sized pieces. They make the thrill of trading accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or experience. But beyond the glossy screens and flashy graphs, there's a question we need to ask ourselves. But is it really as lucrative and straightforward as it seems? Let's dive deeper into the allure and reality of trading apps. Let us dive into the reality of trading apps, far from the glitz and glamour. As we delve deeper, it becomes clear that the world of trading apps isn't as simple as it seems. There's a labyrinth of hidden complexities and risks lurking beneath the surface. The bright, easy-to-use interfaces and the promise of quick returns mask a harsh reality. Did you know that a staggering majority of users end up losing money? In fact, a reported 80% of day traders quit within the first 2 years. And of those who persist, only a meager 7% turn a profit. These statistics paint a grim picture, don't they? And yet, these trading apps continue to attract millions of users, thanks to their clever marketing strategies. They make trading seem like a game, a fun pastime that could potentially make you rich. But let's not forget, this is not a game. This is real money that we're talking about. Hard-earned savings that can vanish in the blink of an eye. What's even more concerning is the lack of transparency. Many of these apps fail to clearly explain the risks involved. They use complex jargon and fine print to confuse users, making it difficult for them to make informed decisions. They lure people with promises of easy money, while conveniently hiding the fact that the majority of traders end up losing. Then there's the issue of manipulative tactics. Some trading apps have been accused of artificially inflating prices to trigger buying frenzies. They make money every time you trade, so they have a vested interest in keeping you engaged and trading frequently. It's a classic case of the house always wins. So where does this leave us? We're left grappling with a system that's designed to profit off our losses. A system that's shrouded in secrecy, where the odds are heavily stacked against us. With the odds so heavily stacked, one must wonder, are there real winners here? Listen to the stories of John and Sarah, ordinary people just like you and me, who fell into the trading app trap. John, a hardworking truck driver, was enticed by the promise of easy money. He was sold on the dream of financial freedom and a life of luxury, all achievable through a simple app on his phone. With dreams of quitting his job, he invested his life savings into the trading app. The app's interface was user-friendly, and the trades seemed to be doing well initially. But the tide soon turned, and his investment began to dwindle. The customer service, once attentive, became elusive, leaving John with a sinking investment and a broken dream. Sarah, a single mother and teacher, was lured in by the promise of an additional income stream. She was told that the trading app was the perfect solution to her financial woes. Sarah invested her savings, believing that she was securing her children's future. However, the profits she was promised never materialized. Instead, she found herself losing money with every trade. The emotional toll was immense as she grappled with the loss of her hard-earned money and the uncertainty of her children's future. John and Sarah's experiences are not isolated incidents. They are representative of countless individuals who have been misled by the glossy marketing of trading apps. These apps promise wealth and financial freedom, but often they deliver nothing more than loss and disappointment. The money lost is just one part of the equation. The emotional impact is equally, if not more, devastating. Dreams are shattered, trust is broken, and the financial security of individuals and families is jeopardized. The allure of easy money turns into a nightmare of financial and emotional distress. John and Sarah's stories are just two of many. The question remains, how can you protect yourself? Remember, it's not just about the money you might lose, but also the emotional toll it can take. Be cautious, be informed, and don't be swayed by the promise of easy riches. So how can one navigate this tricky landscape without falling prey to such traps? In the world of trading apps, it's essential to be cautious and informed. The first step is conducting thorough research. Don't just rely on the glossy ads and flashy interfaces. Look deeper. Find out about the company behind the app. Is it reputable? Has it been involved in any controversies or legal issues? Reading user reviews can also be enlightening, but remember to take them with a grain of skepticism as they can be manipulated as well. Next, ensure you fully understand the risks involved. Trading is not a guaranteed pathway to wealth. It's a complex world of fluctuations and variables that even seasoned professionals struggle to predict. Don't be lured in by the promise of quick money. Like any financial venture, it involves a considerable amount of risk and potential for loss. Also, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with how the app works. How does it make money? Are there hidden fees or charges? Some apps make profits from the spread, the difference between buying and selling prices, which might not be immediately obvious. Another tip is to start small. Don't pour your life savings into your first trade. Start with an amount you're comfortable losing. This way, you'll have the chance to learn the ropes without risking too much. Lastly, don't let emotions rule your trading decisions. Fear and greed can lead to impulsive actions that might end up costing you. Stay calm, stay informed, and make rational decisions. In essence, the key to navigating the trading app landscape safely is to be informed, cautious, and patient. Don't rush into anything. Take your time to understand the ins and outs of the platform, the market, and your own risk tolerance. Remember, in the world of trading apps, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. No matter how tempting the promises of quick wealth may be, always approach with caution and never invest more than you can afford to lose.